Thanks to everyone who have subscribed. If you have not, please do. And thanks for coming out here. I really appreciate you. Breaking news. Edo Assembly Saga. Court stop police orders from arresting former speaker. Edo State, what is really going on? What is going on? Frank is the speaker that, according to Constitution of Nigeria, that is still the speaker. But we all heard what happened when some members who have not been inaugurated for the past 1 year, and according to Nigerian Constitution, have lost the opportunity of being a House member, were secretly inaugurated in an unknown disclosure. And guess what? The Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, said he was the one that gave them the go ahead, and even security personnel. So we are hearing now that they want to go and arrest Francis, the guy, the Speaker of the House, who is on Obaseki's side. Remember that Adams Oshomole was with Muhammadu Buhari, and they were talking about arresting some people. Maybe these are part of the plans. We don't know. All speculations. But what are we saying? Can't we just do things decently and in order in this country? Make sure that things are done well by the book? Why? Why do we have to merry-go-round what is right just because we have a selfish ambition? Because you belong to a party and you want to prove to the other person that we are in the same party and so I will favor you. Is that the rule of the day? Is that the way things ought to be? Anyway, guys, let's dive straight into the news and get all the details. Edo Assembly Saga. Court stop police orders from arresting former speaker. An Edo High Court in Benin has restrained the police and the Department of State Security, DSS, and other security agencies from arresting former Speaker, Edo House of Assembly, Kabira. The court's order is coming on the bench of allegations by the All Progressive Congress APC in the state that the former speaker and the others sponsored thugs who recently invaded the state assembly. Can you imagine? Justice Efe on Tuesday granted the order following an expert application filed by Okezi Esquire, asking the court to restrain the police, DSS, and NSCDC from arresting or detaining him without the process of law. Responding, he said, "What order have you in arresting him, pending the order of hearing, depending on the motion that will be brought in before anything is done." The judge also granted the application ordering the police, DSS, NSCDS, and other security agencies to separate and to suspend all actions pending the determination of the subsequent matter and court hearing. The representative by themselves, their agencies, security agencies, workmen, and assigned are all hereby restrained from molesting, harassing, and any form of arrest to be done to him. We are hereby saying that things should be done orderly. Let's follow due process. This is what is happening in our country, our very own country. This is what is happening today. This is what is happening right now as we speak. You know that we presented to you that the court said the court arrested some people who they said were in affiliation with harassment at the National Assembly in Edo State, at the House of Assembly, and they arrested some persons. However, they are saying that these persons that caused for any kind of a disturbance that they are saying was done by was done in accordance with an instruction from a former Speaker of the House. Okay, so they said they want to go and arrest this person, and the court has given further order to say don't do anything or such. Things should be done decently and in order. If he has done anything, let's follow the due process. This is Nigeria. This is Nigeria, where things are just done anyhow. People can just go about and do their own thing and just come, where even the security agencies of this country are being used, being manipulated to affect Nigerians. What is really going on? How can we continue if we continue to behave in such a manner, if we don't give regards to the rule of law, if we don't listen to one another, all because of election? This is turning something else. It is becoming more than you can imagine. There is so much at stake. All everybody is so tensed up, waiting. Eyes are all popped out, waiting for September the 19th. However, the case may be, don't forget that Edo State will have one governor at the end of the day. But we are calling on the good people of Edo State. Vote your choice. Vote the man and woman you believe should be the one to guard, to rule Edo State in the forthcoming days to come. Vote the person in you feel has the capacity to take Edo State to the next level. Rome was not built a day is a popular adage that people say. But guess what? It's not built a day if they have builders who are determined to build Rome. So if you have people who are in Rome and guess what, do not care about Rome, Rome will never be built. It will be ruined. And in fact, it will be more devastating. It will get worse. The materials, what was there before, will get wasted away. Because over time, things begin to degrade. The law of wearing out, things wear out. So if Rome was not built in a day, of course, Rome should be what the people that are builders should have a good intention for Rome to be built in the first place. So we are calling on the good people of Edo State, rise up for your rights. Don't allow some people, okay, with some selfish interest to just come and manipulate you or, just take your rights. It's not done. Okay? It's not done. And so you must stand by the side of truth and justice and say, you know what? Enough is enough. I refuse to be intimidated. And as such, I am standing by the side of truth. You must stand by what you believe if Edo State must move forward. Every house is built by some man. Every house is built by some man. The house did not build itself. Every house is built by some man. But that's why we are calling on the group of Edo State. You must not only just build your house. You must not just build your house, but you must also depend on God. That's why we are calling on you people, please. Don't just use mouth, fight, agidi. Some parts in Nigeria will call it agidi or whatever you want to call it. To do this thing, let us add prayer. Yes, that is what works. After you have done all you need to do, let's add prayer to it. So that God will choose for us. So 2014, 2015, Nigerians said, good luck Jonathan should go. Buhari is the answer. Today, if they see the time of good luck Jonathan, they will embrace it. They will not let it go. So only God knows the real person. Let's pray. Okay? And Apple Live Media will keep you up to date as the day draws near. Don't forget to like us, to share, to subscribe, to click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless you. Bye for now.